What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, my subscribers, guys, I welcome you. I appreciate the viewing and the following. If you're not subscribed and you're not aware, I try to break down as many stocks as I can daily. I put my neck out there, not right all the time, but I'm just kind of showing you what I see, trading what I see, not trading the noise, trading what we are looking at. So if you're interested in that, check out my other videos and click subscribe now. So let's go ahead and dig into Facebook. So Facebook has had a couple bad days after what we thought may be the reversal happening back here at the end of August, where it popped up and then came back down, and we started watching it here as it settled along this line of support. And once it broke this, we were pretty confident that we were actually going to get a little more uptrend here, even though we did have several levels of resistance to break. So we watched it and watched it, and it never broke the 180. And now with the Congress hearings, and I'm talking about regulations of social media, it's got a bunch of investors scared. A bunch of noise. Guys, I hate trading on noise because it is news, and news is going to trump technical analysis. However, there's a lot of fluff out there, and you really never know what to go with, what you don't go with. So you always trade what you see, and then you put your stop losses out. So if it does fall below a certain area, you get out for a small loss. However, in areas like currently where Facebook is at, you're looking at this trend here, this bottom line that's been trading back all the way since the beginning of 2017, where it has touched this only twice, and it's looking like we're getting close to touching it again, which would be this line here. So the fact that in the last year and a half, it's only gotten this low on this trend that's been upward trend it's on. It's only been this low only twice beforehand. As for a long position, if you plan on sitting on this thing for a year or so, you're probably not going to find much cheaper. Now, guys, be aware that this line here is the last line of support before we hit this line. So it possibly could fall through this tomorrow and touch this line, but it's hard to tell quite yet. So let's dig into the hourly. If we look at the hourly today, it opened up. We had a pretty good run because it opened up here, had a pretty good run, then kind of came down and really just treaded slowly downward the rest of the day. However, if you pick up on volume, you see a huge amount of volume come in at the end of the day here, and that is an indication we're sitting here at 166. Buyers came in the last hour. Let's go on down. Last 15 minutes. Let's go on down. Last 5 minutes, you had a slew of buyers come in. 1.8 million shares were traded in this last 5 minutes only. So to me, that's a good thing. I'm especially sitting right on this line of support. Just technically speaking, it is very positive that you have this much volume come in the last 5 minutes of the day, and it wasn't a downward movement. So tomorrow may be a better day. With hearings out of the way, I'm not sure what else is to come, but I'm sure more news will fluff out about how users are decreasing their use of Facebook. Well, Facebook's got a lot of things in store with, video and many other things, with Instagram blowing up. So, guys, long-term investment, Facebook, you're not going to get much, better. As far as what do I see in the short term, it's still way too early. I would definitely think it's going to settle down here around 166. It may even go a little bit below, but then kind of close above it, I would believe. So I will be looking to make a trade here in the next day or so, but I do want to see a confirmation. I do want to see volume pour in, and this thing kind of break this downward trend that has been. This is the hourly here. This has been a very sharp decline. So luckily, usually when you have sharp declines, they usually come back faster. So let's just kind of keep an eye on this over the next couple of days. So if you are interested, go ahead and subscribe and follow along. If you have any questions or any stocks you want broken down, please comment below. And if you like the video, simply like the video. I appreciate it, guys, and you'll have a wonderful evening.